Hello everybody, Christian Bear here. Well, you guys asked for it. You want us to come back to the tribute store to try the plant-based brownie. I'll probably get a couple things, but we're here because you asked, as always.
We get our dessert on.
Yes, so we're ready to head inside and Christmas it up.
Be sure to nutcracker.
You heard the girl, I think. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Good day.
Is it the same dollhouse?
Just 1 second.
Some more.
Beetlejuice?
Sort of looks like it. I like this.
This is cute. Oh my gee.
I don't care if I look at it, I'm still not merch pointing. If you guys ever see me merch pointing, you have my permission to flame me in the comments. I'm just not doing it. Not once, not ever, no.
Do I look festive? I'm a tree! Wait, it's not the right direction, is it? Here we go. I'm a tree! But the tree doesn't really stay on your head very well.
It seems like it would fall right off after a couple of head nods.
And then
Now I know.
I'm a Grinch. I think I like the first one better.
Is there a way to get out of here?
Yeah, just go to the doors. Just a little bit slowly. You don't want anybody.
Okay, gotcha.
decor for every house. So this stuff looks nice too. Probably not vegan. It's okay.
Some days I'm like, I'll do it, it's fun.
I'm in here doing it. I don't want to get it. Got the butterscotch and the peppermint gummies. They were very similar to that heart one that he got for Halloween Horror Nights. And then I love that they have boxes this year. I'm just gonna look at these. I guess I should say boxes this time because they didn't have this at Halloween Horror Nights. And then we have the plant-based brownie and the gingerbread whoopie pie. This plant-based brownie looks extra gooey, and they were out of silverware. So this is going to be an interesting adventure, not eating it with silverware.
I like your bartender.
Here we have the plant-based brownie. It smells amazing. It smells very similar to the skull that we got. Nice, thick, rich brownie. It almost tastes like it came fresh out of the oven, even though it hasn't. It's so moist and delicious. This is a win. I would come here just for this brownie because it's that good. So much yes.
At least the princess ate the face off the brownie, so they don't have to feel bad about eating and smile. Now just with the eyes looking at me. And the nose. I'm getting that nose. Well, I may feel some kind of way about desserts, but I'd definitely eat that. That whole thing. Without sharing. Eyes and all. Well, maybe not the peppermint horns, but everything else, yeah, I'd eat. That is actually a fairly solid brownie. 4 out of 5 plus. Then, because I didn't want the princess to feel left out, I got this equally, well, probably not equally sticky and messy, but this gingerbread whoopie pie with like green sprinkles, a little ornament on top. It's a pretty looking thing. See just how gingery it is. That was a mistake. It's like a soft ginger snap with like pie filling in the middle. I think in this case, it's actually the filling that's too much for me. The cookie itself I like. The filling is just too strong. Definitely not as good as the brownie. 2.5 out of 5 plus.
Substitute half the coconut.
And the brownie.
Oh, and the brandy, okay.
And then because I can't resist a good gummy, and they look cool lit up on the table. Got a butterscotch gummy with like a chocolate head.
Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
You want me to choke?
Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
I don't know.
Holding.
Well?
Holding.
Oh. Huh? It's almost more tougher Jello than it is gummy bear or gummy berry. Butterscotch is really light. All I taste really is the chocolate. It's not bad. It just goes down like Jello, like really firm Jello. That's for the peppermint one. Even the gummy by itself, very light in flavor. It's like a small hint of peppermint. It's like trying to choose something that's running from you, if that makes any sense. Not my favorite. I think the heart gummy was a lot better and more like gummy-ish. I give this one 2 out of 5 plus. I wouldn't order that again.
What was your favorite?
My favorite was by far the plant-based brownie. Easily. That thing is delicious. I'd eat another one of those. That whoopie pie, the filling is just too strong for me. So, that was the tribute store in the brownie.
I appreciate the fact that we have a box for to go so we can finish these desserts at home.
Yes. There we go.
I really needed to take these desserts home because they're so rich you can't finish them in one sitting.
Yeah, it's quite a bit. I will say that store definitely got me more in the mood for Christmas, and the Halloween store got me in the mood for Halloween.
Agreed.
I definitely think it's a nice store. Everything in there is awesome just to go and look at.
Very
It's definitely worth the wait.
Yeah,
The wait's not long.
The wait was short for a weekend.
Yes, it was definitely longer for the Halloween store than it was for this.
Absolutely, but I mean, Halloween Horror Nights is more popular here than Christmas.
I don't know.
So, I don't know. It is pretty busy here today.
It is. But we definitely want to know if you guys have a chance to check out the tribute store yet. If so, on your next trip, are you coming? Let us know in the comments. If there's anything else for us you want to try, that's going to be a place to let us know. Hit the notification bell if you want to see videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.